With the RTK base, you receive two small metallic straps, two big metallic straps. In case of you want to install on the pole, on the round pole, you receive some screw for the fixation of the plate. The plate is to fix the RTK base directly on the wall or on the pole exactly. You receive stickers with the brand that you can install directly here. For our installation today, we install the mount plating that we install directly on a wood pole. Make sure that when you install this one, that the angle brake is always on the top. This is very important. So we install like this today. To make sure that the antenna have a perfect view on the sky, make sure that the metal plate is flush with the highest point of the pole. To fix the support, you have two solutions. Either you use a screw directly here on the wood pole, or you use the metallic strap. The metallic strap you can directly put in the opening parts of the plate. Oops. And then tighten it on the back side. So now we can fix the RTK base on the support. We have here on the top the GPS antenna. In case of you need to deport the RTK base, the RTK antenna, you need to open the box here. So you have two screws here that you can remove, and you have 5 meters long of wire. Here you have the Wi-Fi antenna always on the bottom. To fix the RTK base, you have 4 screws here that you can slide in the support. Just a tips, you have some screws with the base that you can use across the RTK base to make sure that nobody remove the base, or if the base move, it's an additional security. So you can just put the screw in front and directly fix across the base on the support, and now the base cannot move. Before you install the RTK base at this final position, take a picture of the stickers just here where you can find the password of the RTK base. Put the pole at the final position and make sure that you have minimum 3.5 meters high. And now we are ready to plug the electricity. Congratulations, now the electricity is plugged to the RTK base.